slaughterhouse alone kills 2 million chickens a week. So how does the chicken industry handle the enormous task of killing such a large number of animals?
So I just found out that chickens are slaughtered in like the worst way ever, and I really felt bad for them because I own chickens myself, and I just never would want to see them go through that, you know? It's like, who would want to kill a chicken? I mean, yeah, maybe if it, you know, they love me and I love them back, so, you know, I gotta keep them protected. But, you know, these chickens, they remind me of dinosaurs too, like velociraptors. So, and I really like velociraptors, so. And every chicken's different. Some chickens love to be pet, and some don't. And then chickens, fun fact, they like to eat their children, which is really messed up, but like, you know, I guess that's their way of life. Drinking water is essential for chickens. Actually, it's essential for any living animal. But honestly, don't tell me chickens don't have feelings, because look at this guy. That's me if I were a chicken. And there's some chickens who like to go in the dirt and get dirty. And some chickens like to think they can go anywhere they want. Yeah, I caught you. Some chickens like to play hide and seek. And I love to take pictures of my chickens, even though there's some who keep getting in the frickin' way. And some chickens even like to peck at each other, or maybe try to eat each other. I don't know. Either way. So, tell me, what does it feel like to be on the menu? I knew, right then and there. He had no clue. Sorry, she. Anyways, they have no clue that they're on the menu. I was really sad, and I knew I needed to do something before my depression got really bad.
So, what brings you in today?
Well, I recently just found out that I can't save every chicken from being slaughtered, and yeah.
Why does that bother you?
Because, like, imagine your child being on the menu. Yeah. Pretty much, yeah, that.
So, your fondness for chickens is somewhat equivalent to that of a loved one? Like a child?
Yeah, that's pretty much what it's like.
Every chicken cannot be treated equal. And this is just the world we live in, I'm afraid. Well, I guess you're just gonna have to accept the fact that you just can't save all of us, Stellan. And this is just the world we live in.
Wait, what?
Joke's on you.